How to change Instagram video thumbnail after posting. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to change your thumbnail of your Instagram Reels video or your video. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, go ahead and open your Instagram and head over to your profile at the top bottom right corner. Once you're here, you can go ahead and create up a reel or a video. Just go ahead and tap on this plus icon at the top right and select up reel since we're posting a video. After that, you can go ahead and select up a video that you want to post on your reel. And once that is done, once you've selected the video, tap on next. And before posting, you can find this option called edit cover. So you can add up a cover picture for your video. So just go ahead and tap on this add from camera roll first and select up a picture for your cover. And once that is done, tap on done at the top right corner and tap on next and post it. Once your reel is posted on your profile, you can just go ahead and find it. And you can go ahead and tap on the three dot after that and tap on this edit option in order to change your cover. So go ahead and tap on edit again. And when you tap on it, you'll be finding option of add from camera roll. After that, you can go ahead and select up an image that you want to post. For example, this one right here. So let me just crop it. And after that is done, tap on done at the top right corner and tap on right. And when you do that, you'll be finding a cover photo of your reel being changed when you head back to your profile. So that is it. That is how you change up your cover photo in your videos and your reel. If you're not finding that feature, go ahead and update your app first and you should be finding it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.